guys, welcome back to Palette Therapy. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Keela. Hey, if not, thank you for the support. In today's video, I will be reviewing this unit that I picked up from SUNBER, as well as giving you guys the install process. If you're interested in this video, please continue to watch. But first, I need you to hit the subscribe button. I post videos every week, and I promise you don't want to miss them. Now, let's get into this video. Okay, y'all, so I am back with another wig review. In today's video, I will be reviewing another bob. This time, it'll be from SUNBER Hair. This is a 12-inch human hair bob. It is a T-part. I'm trying to get the details up for you guys. It was about 60 bucks off the website. I will have my discount code down below for you guys, or my affiliate link down below for you guys, one or two, that you can just click on and go straight to it. But this is what she looks like off the stock card or off the website. So let me show you guys what came inside the box. So I got some 3D eyelashes, HD wig cap, and I'm happy that they starting to send these HD wig caps, and then a edge band. And this is the one that has the Velcro straps. So that's a nice little upgrade as well. So let's see what Good Sis is looking like. So this is what she's looking like here. Okay, so there was some strap or an adjustable strap that came with it, if that is needed as well. So there's two combs on the side, one in the nape area, and this is a T-part wig. This was a 13 by 4 T-part wig, and I have already cut the lace off. So let's get into what she looks like straight out of the box, and then I will be back.
Why don't we say that it's too late for us now? Why do we stay when I blame you for the things that weigh me down? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only...
Alright, so like I said, this is a T-part wig. So if you want to switch up the part, of course you can always slide it from side to side. But this is a middle part unit. I bought it as a middle part unit because I like middle part bobs sometimes. I don't know. I think middle parts are starting to grow on me. Y'all know usually I'm a side part girl, but I think middle parts are starting to grow on me. I don't know. Maybe I'm changing. But look how that blends. Look how that lace blends with my skin. It is perfection, guys. Look at that. I haven't added any product to it. So this is how it came. The hair is really, really soft. There is no smell to it. It's very silky. I will say that it's very silky. So let's lay it down and see what it's looking like. Okay, so there is a lot of space in it. For my girlies that are worried about if it's big head friendly, there's a lot of space. I am going to shift this back because I don't like for my wig to be on my forehead like that. Although I have a widow's peak, I will not cut it. I will just shape my lace around it so that it still fits my face. That's what I prefer to do. I know some people will cut their widow's peak for their wigs. I'm not one of those people. I just kind of shape my wig around my widow's peak. Alright, so comb going straight through. Real soft and silky, like giving real human hair vibes. And when I say real human hair, I mean it is real human hair, but I mean it's giving like you just got your hair flat iron vibes. Like this is giving me a silk press vibes, you know. I mean, this hair is very, very silky and pretty, and look how it just lays, y'all. Oh my gosh, let me tell y'all what, these wig companies have really been stepping their game up. Look at that. Like I hadn't added anything to this, and look how it's laying. Absolutely gorgeous. Like, you don't even have to add anything to it if you don't want to. I am going to go in and add just a tiny bit of concealer to the parting space just to kind of clean it up a little bit more. But honestly, you don't have to add anything to it. It looks nice exactly the way it is. I'm not going to put anything on my actual forehead. I'm just going to put some on the lace. And really, you could go in with a foundation as well. I just have concealer here, so that's what I'm using. There we go. Like I said, we're not going to worry about the forehead because it's already melted into the forehead. If you wanted to, you could go ahead and, you know, use you some lace tint. Not lace tint, Lord. Use some melting spray to lay it down if you want to. But you don't have to. You can wear this unit completely glueless. Let me tell you, I had plenty of space in the back, so I'm happy it came with this adjustable strap, but it does have the little straps in the back as well as combs, so you can always tighten it up if you're one of those girlies that have a smaller head like me. I do like the inch of this too. Typically, I think I like between a 10 and 12 inch bob. Sometimes I don't like 12 inch because I don't like when the curl gets to looking crazy, but I actually like this because I could pull this back and put it in a ponytail. Like, it's just as cute going to the back as it is in the front. So I do like that. I would definitely say it's 12 inches because 12 inches typically come to my collarbone area and then 14 inches somewhere down here. So this is a very, very, very nice affordable unit. Y'all, one of the things I love about SUNBER is that their units are almost always affordable, or they're running some type of sale. And if you catch the sale, I'm telling you, like, this wig was less than $100, y'all. This wig was like, I think I paid 60 some bucks for it. And look at this quality. Like, I don't have to do anything to it. It's already flat. I don't have to go in and hot comb anything. Y'all know, or y'all don't know, but my hair is in 4 plaits. And it's not even in 2 braids, and the wig is still laying flat on my head. You can't even tell. Like, listen, this summer I'm gonna be ready with all the bobs. Bobbiana is here. Bobbiana has showed up. She is ready for the summer because this is a beautiful, natural looking wig, y'all. I absolutely love this wig. It's so pretty. It's so silky. I mean, you can't. Look at that. And it's not heavy on my head. It's very lightweight. Honestly, I don't have any cons about it. Typically, most of the units I get from SUNBER are really good units. I have like 2 more, I think, that I need to review from them, but I probably won't review them anytime soon. So, like, I have a blonde that I need to review from them, and then I have one that has purple highlights. So those will be coming soon, sometime this summer. But I really do love SUNBER. Like, it has crept up into like my top 5 human hair wigs, and especially when it comes to human hair affordable, like, they have really stepped that game up from, you know, when I first started getting wigs from them to now. So I can appreciate that. I can appreciate a company that looks at what their customers want and are constantly working on improving, but not giving you, like, you know, super expensive prices. So like I said, I paid 70 bucks for this wig, somewhere between that. That's with tax, shipping, and all that stuff, and it comes within a week, so shipping is really fast as well. I think I may have like a piece of hair on me, I don't know, I can't really tell. But it is one of those companies that like has really, they always run sales, and the hair is really good quality, and I always enjoy like every unit I get from them. I don't think I've gotten a unit from them that I didn't like. So I'm telling you guys, if y'all never heard of SUNBER, go ahead and try it out. Go ahead and check them out. Go ahead and pick this unit up. I would recommend it. 10 out of 10. Go ahead and grab her. She is absolutely gorgeous, like beautiful. Even if you wanted to go in and like add some curls to it to kind of give it a body wave vibe, you could do that as well. But it's just really, really nice. And like I said, you could pull it back. It's giving very classy and sleek. It's giving work woman vibes. Like, this would be a perfect unit to wear to work. You can wear it glueless, of course. Y'all saw I didn't have any products on it or anything like that, and that is what I've been into this summer, is glueless, because baby, it is hot down here in the South. Let me tell y'all, it's hot. So yeah, go ahead and check this unit out. Have y'all ever tried SUNBER before? Comment down below and let me know what you guys think, what y'all experience have been with them. I do have an affiliate link or a discount code in the description box, so make sure you check that out if you decide to pick up this unit. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you made it this far, comment down below and tell me what your favorite thing about the summer has been thus far. I hope you guys are having a really good year. Listen, if you are not, it is okay. It is a new day, and if all you did was survive today, I am proud of you. Because guess what? Each day brings about a new change. It gives us a new chance to try something different. So if you just made it through this day, and you know you're looking forward to tomorrow, or you're not looking forward to tomorrow, remember, tomorrow is a new day, a new opportunity, a new chance to get it right, to chase your dreams. Tomorrow you may be one step closer than you were today. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. I love you guys. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please consider subscribing and turn on your post notification bells. I post videos every week, and I promise you don't want to miss them. Thank you guys for the support, and I will catch you in my next one. Peace.